Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did this video analysis on Wednesday and just scrunching things up because you can see, and I realize for those of you that watch these videos time and time again, probably getting sick of hearing about this orange line, but it is continuing to play a vital role and just illustrating that from a bigger picture point of view, the overall trend of things is still bearish, but that's just representing that from an overall point of view, the selling pressure remains, and that is why the price just continues to drift lower and lower downwards. So keep an eye on that, and this is what makes this very interesting going into Friday. While this downwards trend line here certainly does represent the selling pressure, there is a bit of buying pressure that has shown up, and this buying pressure being represented by the fact that there's now a shorter term trend line right there. Now, just because some buying pressure has shown up does not mean that for sure the price is breaking to the upside. But my point is, at least the price has finally been able to build an uptrend line, which that's something that's the price has struggled to do for quite a while. So a very interesting dynamic there from kind of the quote unquote storybook perspective. If you're looking at this as like a soap opera, yeah, the sellers, they've just been in control, the selling pressure. But now all of a sudden, there's some buying pressure that has shown up, which brings about the very valid question now going forward of, hey, is this some sort of leading indicator where there might be another go at that trend line? And who knows, maybe even break through, that selling pressure resistance line right there. So something to keep an eye on. Now, in the event the price breaks below that trend line, then the next level to definitely keep an eye on would be down here around the $1.87 mark. But as of right now, very, very interesting pattern, some interesting dynamics here headed into Friday. So let's see how this one closes out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.